Hi, hello, how are you? CLG here. Hey, how about this for a little different? Well, it's not a different topic, but let's take a look at some of these bookmarks I have here. And I was looking at this one, and I bookmarked this a long time ago, so let's look at it. Goodwill. Bookmarks. Bookmark manager. And ham radio. This one, Code of FCC Regulations. And amateur radio, it's amateur radio, falls under Part 9.7, amateur radio service. And here you go, basis and purpose. This is all for people to read, but this one, continuation and extension of amateurs' unique ability to enhance international goodwill. Goodwill. Spread the message of goodwill. And that is exactly what I think I'm doing on my YouTube channel by bringing up some of the subjects I do. It's pretty good. Like the FCC, this was Part 97.1, I believe it is, and all this Part E, all this stuff has been in here for longer than I've been around. But it's pretty good because the FCC, this is a great explanation of what amateur radio really is. Part 9.7, the FCC. I think probably they've added some things to beacon call sign. So as far as me and my on and on, I'm going to get my license upgrade. Well, maybe the place for me to start is right here and just read the whole FCC section because I believe the last time when I took my general class in 1978, it's been so long ago, there were questions about FCC regulations, rules and regulations. And I had the ARRL General Class License Manual that I studied. It was a big book. It was like a notebook size. It was like a magazine almost. It was a cool book. Wish I still had it. But anyway, so yeah, there's a lot of stuff to read. I don't think this is all 97. Yeah, it is. It's all here. Back in the day, Morse code used to be a requirement to get your license, your novice, general, extra class, technician, advanced, 20 words a minute. I still love Morse code. I just haven't done it in a while. I'm going to get back to it. So there you go, folks. One of the things about amateur radio is promoting goodwill. Isn't that something? Okay, 73s, have a goodie from your old pal CLG. Oh.